as you could see how the video starts out, tragedy happened to my 7969 dress, so I'll get into that. I'm actually wearing one of the makes that I made this week, so I'll share that pattern with you. My mom, you know, I'm making her dress, so I'm going to share the progress with you on that dress. But first, I just want to say thank you to Jen from Jay and Jen Sewing Room. Today is Friday, which is Friday Sews, where we all, just the YouTuber sewers, kind of unite and just talk about all the different, it's like a show and tell where we just kind of show all the different makes that we had. So I guess I will start off with this shirt. I really like it. It's just a relaxed tee. It's from the Ellie and Mac patterns. And just really simple. I mean, you don't even cut anything different for the sleeve. It's all one piece. And then I did just a regular binding there. And I just attached a bow. I actually just safety pinned this on here to make it look kind of cute. You know, you can wear it for work. And then I'll show you that because I made the matching skirt. So easy. I didn't use a pattern for the skirt. I just used a different existing skirt that I had for the template to use. And then of course it has pockets. I'm wearing it right now, but that shows you that it has pockets. I love the two pieces because then I can also pair up that skirt with a ton of different tops because it's like got the multicolored. So that's one of the things that I made this week.
Okay, so I'm currently working on this Simplicity 8872 dress for my mom. And to start out, I actually sewed the pleat on the wrong side. So I'll show you, just stop the video right here. And so that took some unpicking. But you guys, I cannot wait to show you. I'm finishing up on the bodice and I will be sewing the bottom skirt to the top. You know, I'll just be working on the ruffles this weekend. So I think I will for sure have this done by next Friday.
Simplicity patterns were on sale again at Joann's, so I picked up this new pattern. I kind of started it. I'm kind of liking it. So I can't wait to show you what I'm putting together. This is the Simplicity 9265. I love the V-neck, and I'll show you right here a couple of different inspirations that I have for why I picked this pattern. So this is actually going to be an upcoming video that I'm going to put out next Wednesday. So you'll want to be on the lookout for that. Actually, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you get notifications for every time I upload a video. Okay, so after I made the dress, I kind of didn't take the dress off for a few days. It's so comfortable. And so I was like, well, I need to put it in the washer and then I'll just make, you know, things come together. After I sew them, I like to wash them and you know, have it get its shape back. So I pulled it out of the dryer and look, you guys, it's got holes in it. This is in the back. And so, yeah, the video in the beginning, it might seem, you know, like dramatized or whatnot, but I mean, if this has ever happened to you, you would know how I feel. I spent so much time making this dress to pull it out and it's ruined. And so now, you know, it's basically in ICU. I don't know that I'll be able to repair it. I'm going to definitely try. I'm just going to try to sew it back up again. Even if it's a little bit tighter on me, I think I'm still going to wear it because I just fell in love with the sleeves. But what I can clearly see what I did wrong. I must have serged the edges of the bodice and didn't serge the sleeve part, and then I forgot to serge them together, and I assumed that I guess I had serged all the sides, but I had only serged the one, and then I sewed them together, and kind of sad. It's just sad because I spent all this time putting this dress together, and now I have to spend more time trying to fix it when I could be, you know, sewing other things, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make it work. I mean, that is a lot of seam that I had to cut into. But yeah, I am going to try to fix it. But right now, you guys, I gotta go to work. I mean, my boss is like, well, if you want to get paid, you gotta come to work. And I don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna come back and we will see the status of this dress. Okay, so I'm in my car. I'm getting ready to head into the office. But look what I'm wearing. It actually did work. It still fits me. I had to sew it in quite a bit right here. But whereas this dress fits baggy, it fits no problem. So I was able to fix it. But that is a learning lesson. Now on the dresses that I'm making right now, I am just double checking them all to make sure that I definitely serged all the edges. Okay, so I do want to thank you for sticking with me, and make sure you check out all the other videos in the hashtag Friday Sews. And until next time, happy sewing, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.